ang gawin nila.
Our story for today is all about the goose that laid golden egg. So, are you excited?
Juvenile delinquent. Ay, parang juvenile delinquent ka na, nawala ka na ng langgam. Gumawa ka na ng ano yung gilid.
Long time ago, there was a poor farmer named Eva. She lived in a small hut in a village. Sometimes, she had no money at all to buy food. But one day, she saw a big goose in front of her hut. "What a nice fat goose," said Eva. "Aha! I must catch it. I will cook it so that I will have a good dinner. I am so hungry," said Eva. Then she stepped closer to the goose. But then she heard a voice. "Don't kill me! Don't kill me! I am a special goose! Don't kill me! I lay golden egg for everything. I can stay with you," the goose begged. All right. You can stay with me, but every morning you must lay an egg for me. Then I can sell it to the market and sold the egg." "Yes, I will, Beba," answered the goose. In the morning, Beba went to look for the goose, and there was a golden egg. Beba was very happy. Then she go to the market and sell the egg. Every morning, the goose laid a golden egg, and every day, Beba went to the market to sell the golden egg. Beba became so very rich that she lived in a big place, big house, and had lots of money. She was so kind to the goose that the goose remained very happy. But unexpectedly, one day, Beba became so greedy, selfish. She thought, why should I wait for a golden egg each day? I know. I will kill the goose. I will cut open the goose and get all the golden egg inside her. The goose died, but there were no eggs inside her.